हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज़ क्वार्टर 4 रिजल्ट्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज़ क्वार्टर 4 रिजल्ट्स के बारे में। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, लेट्स नो। Reliance Industries Q4 results. What should investors do when RIL stock price opens on Monday? Okay, Reliance Petro station waits for customers in Hapur, India, Friday, August 11, 2006. Okay, synopsis. Stock price of Reliance Industries will react to the company last quarter results of final year 23 on Monday. It is likely the reaction would be positive, and RIL's financial performance has been broadly in line with estimates. Okay. During the Q4 final year 23 results, Ambani's oil to the energy empire there registered PAT of rupees 19,299 crore, up 19.11% year on year and 22.21% quarter on quarter. EBITDA come in at rupees 41,389 crore, up by 21.8% year on year. On Q2 C, business report record EBITDA of 16,293 crore in Q4 final year 23 result, and by 14.4%. Soaring the buy. Okay, the Mukesh Ambani back RIL generated the highest ever quarterly profits, driven by strong operating performance of mainstream. Q2C business optimize feedstock cost and supportive product margin. The retail, the telecom are also witnessed the stable growth. Okay, RIL announced its Q4 results after market hours on Friday. Hence, the stock price will fully witness the impact of the financial result on Monday next week. On BSE RIL, stock finish at 2,348.90 apiece as a marginally up from Thursday closing price 2,345.70. RIL Q4 results quote by Parul Rao and the research analysis and Samco Securities said the Reliance Industries seems to be hitting all the right nerves across its business during the January-March period, Q4 final year 23. And despite the being the top line flat year on year, the company posted its highest ever quarterly profits of 19,299 crore, jumps of 19% year on year. The consumer facing the business took a front seat and drove the earnings. Okay. In Q4 final year 23, Ambani's oil to energy empire registered a PAT of the 19,299 crore by up by the 19.11% year on year and 22.21% quarter on quarter. EBITDA come in at rupees 41,389 crore, up by 21.8% year on year, and O2C business reported a record EBITDA of 16,293 crore in Q4 final year 23, soaring by the 14.4%. However, in Q4 final year 23, consolidated revenue stood at 2,11,887 crore, up by 2.1% year on year, but lower by 1.9% sequentially. Income from the value of sales and services come in at 2,39,082 crore, up by 2.8% year-on-year, added by the continued growth of the momentum in consumer businesses. Also, digital services and the retail segment posted a growth of 15.4% year-on-year and 19.4% year-on-year respectively. On the performance, Abhijit Bora, the GVP Research Analysis, the share count by BNP Paribas, and stated that the quarter 4 consolidated PAT was above their estimates given the robust O2C earnings and lower tax rate of 11.6%, offsetting rise in interest, depreciations cost, and lower other income. Okay. Also, Bora the ad, the reel, and posted strong. The quarter 4 finally 23 performs with 7% bit in consolidated EBITDA at rupees 38,440 crore, up 9% QOQ. Okay, and led by better than expected standalone, the earnings are offsetting the marginal miss in retail EBITDA, while to Geo performs was broadly in line. The standalone EBITDA they increased sharply by 20% QOQ to rupees 18,070 crore, 10% above our estimate, and led by strong core O2C EBITDA of rupees 14,818 crore, up 22% QOQ, and reflecting benefit of higher gas line. Okay, the cracks and feedstock the optimizations, gasoline. Okay, and EBITDA was in line with a 2% QOQ and increased to rupees 12,767 crore with steady and ARPU of rupees 179 net subscriber, an addition of 6.4 minimum QOQ. Retail the EBITDA was tad lower than expectations at rupees 4,769 crore, up 2.4% QOQ, and due to slower revenue growth of 2.4%, while the margin and remained stable quarter on quarter at 7.7%. Okay. Okay, so guys, Reliance Industries quarter 4 results. What should the investors do when real stock price open on Monday? ओके सो गाइज, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.